Is this the first hiccup he's had since being out?
No, he had one earlier today.
This is that hiccup. Mom, what the heck is going on here? Well, the lens is hanging in front of the video. Sorry, guys. Here's a squeaky.